Pick one of the agents you've written this morning, or right? But try now. You should have all now 2 signs. One called SIF Demo, one called Bootcamp, whatever. You can use those signs. Try to make your agent to publish your events to those signs. You've got different options how you do that. You've seen the different options we've shown before. Write a subscribing agent, or don't write it. Configure your subscribing agent or agents. You've got options. You can have 2, 1. To read from these 2 signs. You see where you need to configure. It's really, you have various options how you do that. One is pure configuration. The other one, you might have a line of code. I'll let that up to you. There is no preferred solution. But the purpose of here is, oh, I can publish to more than one sign. I can receive from more than one sign. With the same agent or with 2 agents reading from each sign. Play with those things. It's mostly configuration. Someone is quick. You can go really, instead of just pure configuration, make sure you also deploy more than one agent. Right? The first exercise you could go, same agent, just publish 2 signs. There's 1 line in configuration file. Or now actually try to have more than one agent listening to events. So you can reuse your signs, do so, feel free so. You can create new signs if you want to, play around with. Make sure that your agent really deploys to 2 signs. Publishes your events to 2 signs. How you read it on the other side, with 1 agent, 2 agent, play with it. And try and observe the behavior. If you want to get a bit of a load up to see how it will work, on the Java side, you can set the frequency, broadcast frequency to 1 or 2 seconds. Read from your database if you take the school info, which has about 7 objects in there. Let it run for half a minute. That should, let's say 2 seconds. 15 times 7, the number is roughly 100. I have 100 messages there. Don't start the subscribers, then start the 2 subscribers. You see them whack, whack, whack. You should see them also, when you look at the SIS, you should see the different queues. How many messages on each queue, you can see how they're processing concurrently. Play around with this and observe how the SIS holds the messages. Don't start them up both at the same time. Start one, leave the other shut, and see what the SIS does. Just observe this and get a feeling for all of that. It's a good exercise to see how SISs store their messages and how they deliver it once the agents come up.
For those with the .NET framework, we're talking about running multiple agents within the one main. I had a look at the code. The run method actually uses a helper class from the SIF Bootcamp, which assumes console. You're on the console, so you might want to just check it. If you want to, just overwrite that method. But it's in the base agent of the run method. If you look at it, it allows you to wait for control C commands. I'm not quite sure that because you try to run it in the background process.